The 2026 Range Rover Velar exemplifies a harmonious blend of modern design and luxury, maintaining its distinctive minimalist aesthetic. Subtle exterior enhancements, such as a refreshed front grille and updated LED lighting, contribute to its sleek profile. Inside, the cabin continues to emphasize simplicity and elegance, featuring high-quality materials and a streamlined dashboard dominated by an 11.4-inch touchscreen that consolidates most controls, reducing physical buttons and creating a clutter-free environment. Performance-wise, the Velar offers two engine options: a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 247 horsepower, and a 3.0-litre inline-six mild hybrid engine delivering 395 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring a balance of power and efficiency. The optional air suspension system enhances ride comfort, providing smooth handling across various terrains. In terms of technology and safety, the 2026 Velar is equipped with the Pivi Pro infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Driver assistance features such as blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control come standard, enhancing overall driving safety. Additionally, the Velar offers wireless device charging and over-the-air software updates, ensuring the vehicle remains current with the latest technological advancements.